This is Max. He was just a little guy when we first got him. In fact, today is Max's birthday.
Happy birthday!
And he's turning 3, which is like 28 in cat years. He likes to sleep and sleep. And did we mention sleep? He also likes playing catch, hanging out with the ladies, making biscuits, and spending time with his cat daddy. That's me. He doesn't know it yet, but today Max is in for a surprise. Over the pandemic, I've been developing various technologies, from creating a fully functional AI assistant named Sally to building the Metalizer, a machine that can convert any living creature into a fully immersive, meta-breathing avatar. Today, Max will be the first ever meta cat, a meta Max, if you will. So let's start with the first testing stages. Sally?
Yes, Dr. Fox.
Calibrate the system.
System calibrating. All systems are a go.
And sure, this technology was developed for humans, but what could go wrong? Test log 001. We've calibrated the system and are going to start the first test with the dummy subject. Subject 1 is a teddy bear named Mr. Nibbles. After a few more adjustments, we should be ready to bring Max into the test group. Sally, start the machine.
Yes, Dr. Fox.
Everything went wrong. Test log 002. We had a few setbacks, but we've dialed in the correct frequencies and are ready to bring Max in for phase 1. Max's consciousness has already been uploaded into the system, and the feline to English language translator has been set to translate. Will the test subject now please step into the marked position? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Very good. A little to the left, please.
Initiate feline vocalization to English language.
Max, are you ready for the final transition into avatar form? Sally, start the machine.
Initiating protocol.
You will be Meta Max in 3, 2, 1. Bruh, is this thing even working? Bro! Well, that's it. How Max became Meta Max. Join us next time for more adventures in the Shadows. I make biscuits. I'm getting ready to whip and straight drop so hard the streets say that I'm gifted toe beans. I'm in charge of logistics, couches and chairs, I'm hitting different positions. I'm making biscuits. I'm making biscuits.